very easy. Hey, bro, if you feel bad, you will. Bro, I confuse the word a lot. If you feel bad, you will be ugly. Why? Look, in your inside, this inside your chest. Like you have emotions. The emotion is a transmission to a life. You transmit everything you feel inside. If you feeling bad, bro, that is gonna feeling to the other people. People gonna see you less attractive. It's gonna see you more ugly. Like if you are ugly, you will more ugly. Sorry for that, bro. But don't feel it ugly. Nobody is ugly. Really, nobody is ugly. Because there is a thought. It's create your mind. And your mind create that reality. Because, look, really, you are not ugly. Really, really, bro. Here, listen to this. You are not ugly. That is a thought you create your reality. It's that negative. Because I'm going to tell you a sample here. Like, I'm in school today. I was in a school today, and a teacher didn't want to shake my notebook. Like, why? You don't want to shake my notebook. And what are you feeling? Like angry. I feel angry. So what are my thoughts? Like the thought I have in that moment is like, first, I need to communicate clearly. But I can't do that. So I compare myself with other men. Like I compare with that man I see in social media. Like it's a man who is very very social and communicating clearly, and I start to think I am not a person who communicate clearly, and that create my reality. Like when for example, right now, I communicating you in the camera, and I feel or think I'm not good enough to communicate clearly, and I feel that bad. I feel bad with that. For that, I create that thing, and people, when you think that, people is going to see you. If you think, look, if you sorry for I love the trouble, if you see, if you see that thought we create and create reality. For example, if you think you are not enough, that will transmit to other people that you are not enough. You can't communicate clearly. For that, if you think you are ugly, you will be ugly. So you are not ugly, man. Because everything inside is a reflection outside. Like if you feel bad with yourself because you are not attractive, you will not attractive. It's a fact. For that man, think differently. Like think about this. I am a person attracted. I am a person with confidence. But the problem with that is you need to take action. Like show you yourself you are attractive. How? Feeling good with yourself. You don't need be a status. Like because that is a secure is the sociality give you. You need to be more attractive, but you don't need it really. For that, change your belief system. I give you a lot of value here, but with the time I will create more video about this topic because the thing is not this video not really it's not about being more attractive, but it's like the same thing because you can be more attractive, of course, improving your face, anything about that. But the most is gonna be more attractive here is like you feeling good with yourself, you feeling enough. If you're not compared with the others, and you feel confident because person who is attractive is because they feeling confident in yourself. I want to ask you something. Why you want to be attractive, bro? If you wanna be attractive because you want a status, because you want people to treat you more, just like better. You want people treat you better. You want people treat you better. If you want that, you will not achieve it only improving your face. You need to change your system belief. You need to change your thoughts. Because if you think, people don't treat me good, and that is gonna be a reality for you. That's the mind's, looking up for thing like for thing you want, like the mind is looking up to show you that is true. Like you start to see that symptoms to be a true real in your life. This is a topic very complicated to talk in English because I don't have any idea to talk in English, but I do it, bro. I know it myself. I will think I can achieve it because, bro, when I went to my home, you know what I was thinking? I want to give up with this. I want to give up recording a video because this is not making sense. Like I feel like I take 2 years, fucking 2 years, bro. I don't get it, the English. Like I feeling it's not for me. And that's create reality, bro. That's create my reality to to not communicate like I want. To not speak English. To believe in myself I will not learn English. Bro, really. If you think if you change the way you think, you will change the life. I mean, everything you will change. So if you want be more attractive, you need if you want to change your attractive, if you want a change, be more attractive, you will need feeling good. And it's okay feeling bad. Like me, bro. I feeling bad when I went to my home. I feeling bad. And I feel I am a psycho thinking, and suddenly I began to do a push up. Shit. To the push up. And then for that I stopped thinking about that. Because take care with that, bro. Because if you keep thinking the same thing, it's gonna transform. It's going to transform as a belief, and that belief is create you a limit, a constraint to not achieve the goal you want. So take care with that. Eh? Think about this video, bro. If you see a trailer, take it.